Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making low-effort, high-return moves. Stand or sit open, smile, and catch someone's eye. That non-verbal cue invites conversation. Then introduce yourself, name and one detail about why you're there. Once done, ask a simple, specific question, homework, class notes, or plans, to shift focus off you and onto them. This reduces awkward pauses and signals friendliness. Keep it brief so they can respond and be ready to follow up on whatever they say. You now deepen the tiny connection by matching tone and pace. Mirroring makes people feel understood. Say one brief personal detail, hobby or class struggle, then invite them to share something similar. Once they reply, give a genuine, specific compliment tied to that detail. This reinforces trust. Make an effort to remember one small fact and repeat it later. Together, these steps convert a short chat into the start of friendship, because people like being seen and remembered. You finish by converting rapport into repeated interaction. Offer a specific, easy next step, join a study group, sit together at lunch, or walk to class so there's a reason to meet again. Then exchange contact info or a social handle and agree on a time. Once done, send a quick confirmation message. It shows reliability. If they don't respond, make sure to give space. Wait about 1 week and try a different low-pressure invite. Persistence and respect build real friendships.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.